Two Minutes. My name is Caroline, and today we're going to look at how to unpack the assignment question. You get your assignment, you read the question, but what do you do next? How can you make sure you really answer the question? Let's take a look together. Once you receive the question, you should do the following 5 steps. First, pick the question apart. 2, highlight the important words. 3, look for the overall topic. 4, ask yourself, what directions are you given? And 5, what limitations are there? That means take a look at the topic words or content words in the question that tell you what the question is about. Also, take a look at the directional words or task words in the question. These tell you what to do with content words. For example, discuss, compare, contrast, evaluate, or analyze. Next, look at the aspect or the focus of the question. This can be the relationship between the 2 specific terms, or also known as the aspect of the question. Here's an example. Without the mass media, global terrorism would be impossible. Discuss. So mass media and global terrorism are the topic or the content words. Discuss is the task or the directional word. So evaluate both sides of the discussion and come down on one side or the other. Moreover, without and impossible tells you something about the aspect, the relationship of the content words. Now take a look at your own assignment question. What are the topic words and what are the task words? And what do they ask you to do? Lastly, limit the focus of your question. For example, a particular time period, a theory, a place, or a number. You cannot write about everything and everyone, so make sure you have a concise and clear scope when you answer the question. Also, take a look at the lecture notes and tutorials and then draw from the keywords and phrases in these notes and lecture material. Keep in mind that you do not just describe the topic, and remember to back up your argument using quotes and research and references. So to recap, when you get your assignment question, look for the aspect, the relationship between the words in the question. Make sure you identify the directional words in the question. Is there a limitation on the statement? And explore variations of the statement and then set your essay points. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to watch more videos and visit our website for more information. Good luck with your assignment!